Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. Today's video is about words that have a double meaning according to what context they're placed in, and why context really matters and why you shouldn't rely on Google Translate to translate whole sentences for you. The first one I want to talk about is il y a, because there's a lot of confusion relating to that expression. The classic meaning of il y a is there is or there are. I've given you an example here. Il y a 3 personnes dans le cinéma. Il y a 3 personnes dans le cinéma. There are 3 people in the cinema. But the other meaning that people don't think about is ago. Say, for example, you want to say she left her job 6 months ago. It would be elle a quitté son travail il y a 6 mois. There is no other way of translating ago other than il y a. Remember that one. Elle a quitté son travail il y a 6 mois. The next one is the verb arrêter, which means to stop, as in stop bothering your sister. Arrête d'embêter ta sœur. Arrête d'embêter ta sœur. If you have children, you're very familiar with that expression. But the other meaning is to arrest someone. Le cambrioleur a été arrêté hier. Le cambrioleur a été arrêté hier. The burglar was arrested yesterday. So you see the two meanings here. The next verb is voler. To steal is the first meaning. On m'a volé ma voiture samedi dernier. On m'a volé ma voiture samedi dernier. My car was stolen last Saturday. So this example is also a good example of something else. How in English you use the passive form, my car was stolen, while in French we don't like it. We tend to use the active form. Somebody stole me my car last Saturday is literally how we'd phrase it in French. Remember that. But also, voler means to fly. Les oiseaux volent toujours en groupe. Les oiseaux volent toujours en groupe. Birds always fly in groups. To steal and to fly. Now, a noun, la pêche. You think, well, fair enough, it means a peach. J'adore les pêches bien mûres. J'adore les pêches bien mûres. I love ripe peaches. It also means fishing, as in the leisure activity. Ils sont partis à la pêche ce matin. Ils sont partis à la pêche ce matin. They went fishing this morning. Or as we say in French, they left fishing this morning. Then we've got une glace. Une glace can be a mirror. So for example, you could say, on a acheté une grande glace pour le salon. On a acheté une grande glace pour le salon. We bought a large mirror for the lounge. Or it can also be an ice cream. Ma glace préférée, c'est le sorbet au citron. Ma glace préférée, c'est le sorbet au citron. My favorite ice cream is lemon sorbet. So really, the two meanings have nothing to do with each other. Un avocat, to me that's the most interesting one and it's quite funny. It's a male solicitor. On a demandé conseil à un avocat. On a demandé conseil à un avocat. We asked for a solicitor's advice. If it was a female solicitor, it would be une avocate. So there's no double meaning there. It's just when it's un masculine. Because un avocat also means an avocado, and that's really odd. Je n'aime pas les avocats vinaigrettes. Je n'aime pas les avocats vinaigrettes. I don't like avocados vinaigrette, which is usually how we eat them in France. Une feuille is a good one. It's a leaf, as in a leaf of a tree or a plant. Toutes les feuilles sont tombées. Toutes les feuilles sont tombées. All the leaves have fallen off. Or it could be a sheet of paper. Passe-moi une feuille et un stylo, s'il te plaît. Passe-moi une feuille et un stylo, s'il te plaît. Please give me a sheet of paper and a pen. Une boîte is a really funny one, because originally it means a box. La boîte à lettres est pleine. La boîte à lettres est pleine. The letterbox is full. So you see how boîte à lettres is box of letters, but it's a box for anything really. But it could also mean a nightclub. And this is quite funny because we treat nightclubs as night boxes because they're enclosed spaces with no windows. Therefore, they're boxes. So you would say, samedi soir, on va aller en boîte. Samedi soir, on va aller en boîte. We're going to go clubbing on Saturday night. Un dossier is an interesting one. A folder or a file, it could be a real one or a computer one, it doesn't matter, it's the same word. So at work you'd say something like, où est le dossier du jardin? Where is the Dujardin file? Où est le dossier du jardin? But also dossier is the back of a chair from the word dos, which is your back. Fais attention, le dossier est cassé. Fais attention, le dossier est cassé. Be careful, the back of the chair is broken. Finally, un bureau. I kept the best one for last. This one doesn't have two meanings, it's got three different ones. The last two are related, but I just wanted to make a point that it's got more than two. First of all, it could be a desk. J'ai besoin d'un bureau plus grand. J'ai besoin d'un bureau plus grand. I need a bigger desk. Be careful when you say bureau, it's not bureau, it's bureau. Two short sounds together. Bureau. It could also be an office. Il va au bureau tous les jours. Il va au bureau tous les jours. He goes to the office every day. But also it's a study, as in such as one you have in your house. Tu es où? Dans le bureau. Tu es où? Dans le bureau. Where are you? In the study. And that's it for now. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. And if you want to claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, just click the link in the description below. À bientôt!